Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need Apple ID access and location services active. That's the starting point. First, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Make sure Find My iPhone is toggled on. Once done, check that Share My Location is enabled if you want family tracking, and confirm Last Known Location is active so the device reports when power drops. Do this now so you can move straight to locating the phone. It saves time and prevents gaps in the device history. Open the Find My app on another Apple device or sign into iCloud. Calm and choose Find iPhone. Once the map loads, select the device to see its real-time or last known location, then decide. Play sound for nearby recovery, get directions to navigate there, or enable Lost Mode to lock and show a contact message. Make sure to use Mark as lost before recovering to protect data. It disables Apple Pay and keeps your info secure until you regain the phone. When you're ready to recover, follow the map directions and use Play Sound as you approach. That helps in crowded places. If the device is offline, rely on Last Known Location and enable Notify when found to get an alert. Meanwhile, avoid erasing unless you cannot retrieve it, because erase is irreversible. If the phone appears in an unsafe area, contact local authorities rather than confronting anyone. Finally, if Find My fails, sign into iCloud again and confirm settings or contact Apple support for account issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.